I know it's been so long. I have been so crazy busy, but that is no excuse. I am back now and I'm so sorry. So I got married. I know it's a poor excuse, but I took a year off YouTube, blogging, everything, just so I can concentrate on making my wedding a reality. So I am very sorry that I took the time off, but it was necessary. I should have probably, in hindsight, warned you guys or let you know what was happening, but I am back and I'm in my new house and I'm married and so many different things have happened. So today I thought, you know what, I'm going to share with you what I have been doing with my wedding gift money. What I've bought, what I like, what I don't like. Some of it's on my face right now, so let's get into it and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing I bought was Fenty Beauty foundation. This has been on everyone's lips. Like, everyone's been talking about it non-stop. It's like, yeah, all the shades and blah blah blah. I get it. There's heaps of shades to choose from and it's impossible to basically hate that. I mean, every company, I guess, strives to want to do that and be able to color match their client base, but I don't get it. I don't get what the fuss is about other than that. It has let me down so much. Am I not using it right? Like, if you guys have some tips on how to use it, or I don't know how many layers I'd have to apply to get full coverage, but basically what I've done is I put it on my face. This is a multiple layer makeup situation here. So on my face right now, I started with Fenty Beauties thinking it's going to be totally fine. The build up is going to be great and I can build it up to the sky's limit and it's going to be amazing. I did 2 layers and it just felt almost watery, like it didn't want to stick to my face. And I had my primer on and everything. There's no surprise there, but I had to then go over it with my foundation and I am severely disappointed. But if you've had great experience, that's great. It's just for my skin type maybe, or for what I expect my foundation to do, it is no good. So yes. Next I bought the Cougar, it's called lip gloss, but it's one of the matte ones. As you can see on my lips, it's quite matte. I've got to say that I am so super happy with this. I think it's fantastic. This one is from Boohoo. I don't know if it's like a well-known brand or if it's like a Boohoo based brand where like they came out. I don't know. But the smell of this alone is worth the purchase. And they're super affordable. I won't say cheap because I can't remember how much it was, but I love it. Love the smell, love the texture. It's so good on my lips. It's not rubbing off at all. If you can see that, like there's nothing. It's just my finger's just pink in general. So there you go. But it's amazing. So next, I thought I would purchase this. I don't know if you guys have seen this before. I'm not sure if it's like an Australian only product. I should probably start doing my research before I talk to you guys about these products, but I'm really loving this. There's 2 different scents. This one's cucumber and then there's a rose. I just don't like the smell of rose, but I do love the product. So it's a setting spray. Yes, I'm very happy with my purchase and it was like $30, but look, it does work. Let's be real, it works. I just don't like to be those people that are like enforcing you to get something you don't want to get, but this is quite amazing. I'm quite happy with it, so yes. Then we have this Technic eyeshadow primer. Now, this is so bomb. It doesn't crease, like it dries pretty quickly, so it doesn't crease and create that build up. The texture is really great and the color is super great, at least for my skin and what I want it to do. It's quite a nice color. Like, it's not obviously white, but it's quite light. So even if you were light, I feel like this could still work. And yes, my eyeshadow is popping today. What? Alrighty, then I have this gold elixir. So it's a rose gold elixir. Now, I am seriously not one of those people. Like, I've always seen people use these things and I'm like, do you really need like rose gold in your oils for your face? Like, what does it really do? But it friggin' looks pretty and I thought I'd get it, so whatever. Anyway, after, I think I've tried it now 3 times and I am so happy. Like, everything, I get why people spend money on this stuff, but let me just tell you, holla, 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 holla. This is, it's called O.TWO.O. This is from eBay because I didn't want to buy an expensive one. Bought it and it's amazing. I have no problem with it. It is, I'll show you. I don't know if you could see little gold flakes in this. Oh, you can. Yeah, you definitely can. So there's plenty of it and that freaking smell is amazing. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to show you has a bit of a backstory. Now, for my hen's night, my girlfriends and my sister took me to a drag show, which was fabulous. I loved it so much, but that's besides the point. One of the drag queens had the most phenomenal ever highlighter ever. Like, I was just like, is this even real life? It was just something else. I'm wearing it now, but my camera's just not good enough to like, I don't know if you could see that. Oh, you can kind of. It's got like that sort of what they call iridescent. So it's like purpley, bluey, yellowy, green and everything. Anyway, when I found this product, I lost my shit. If you've watched my hauls before, I'm not the kind of person that would spend a lot on one product of makeup if it's not like a base product, like a foundation or something I really, really needed. But when I found this, I was like, shut up and take my money immediately, please. I'll show you it, and I have a feeling you guys already know. But I feel like because I went away for such a long time, I've been like out of makeup loop, but this shit is amazing. I can't even. So it's called Too Faced Diamond Light. Everyone knows Too Faced, but Diamond Light. It has real like diamond whatever, like I don't know if they freaking shave a diamond and put it in there, but there's like diamond particles somewhere up in here. And the packaging is life. I just feel like this is amazing. Anyway, can we just like bless the Lord? I wish you could see this in like good lighting. You guys have to go into Mecca or Sephora or whatever the hell you want and just like, can we just, I don't know if you we just, oh my god, can we just like, can you see that? Are you seeing this? It's just, forget it. Anyway, maybe I'm over exaggerating, but my love for this is just like phenomenal. So if you don't like it as much, that's freaking totally up to you. There's something wrong with you, but that's fine. But this is amazing. I genuinely believe you will never go to another highlighter once you use this. It just, it's mermaid power in here. Anyway, that's all I've got to say about that. Get it. Get it. Okay, so what else did I buy? I bought something that I thought was going to be really sensation. And it was not sensation. It was the opposite of sensation. I'll show you. This, okay, it's silicone. It's a beauty blender silicone, right? You think because people love that silicone flat one and people love the beauty blender, that mixing them together would be a good idea, but it is not. It does nothing. Like, it doesn't spread anything. It just, don't buy it. Look, Granted, Boohoo has some dope ass shit. This top was from Boohoo. Can we just appreciate this top? This is just, don't get it. Okay, so the next item is this. You've seen it on YouTube, you've seen it on freaking everywhere, you've seen it on Instagram, wherever, and it seems pretty dope. And it kind of is. See, I did a lot of research on it and a lot of people weren't happy. This thing is a sucker thingamajiggy for your pores, and it works. So I don't know why everyone's complaining. Like, I did bruise a little, but it was my first time using it. I didn't know the strength of this machine. I didn't know which head to use. It comes with a, you know, like, use this for this part of your face or body or whatever. But I didn't listen, so that's on me. And I feel like all the videos I've watched are people using the wrong head or using the wrong setting or whatever. But just play around with it if you do get it. This one's from eBay. It does exactly the same things as the ones that are like hundreds of dollars, so there's no freaking point. Anyway, it's really good. If your skin does bruise, just use it on your nose. Like, that's the main thing that I use it for, my nose and my chin, because I tend to get like a lot of blackheads on my chin. I don't know why. It's a freaking sad story for my life. And no, I'm not sponsored by this brand that has no brand. Just saying. I just enjoy this product, so. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. Now, I will let you know as well that I will be making a video of basically everything that I did with my wedding, my Excel spreadsheets, my vendors who I used, where I had my wedding. But I am waiting for my video and my photography so that I can have a few images and everything in the video, just to sort of show you, wow, just to sort of show you basically how it all came together. And wow, I was away for so long. Anyway, hopefully, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I am back. If you guys have any video requests or a product you'd like me to review or a video you would like me to make, by all means drop it in the comment section below. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I would love it, love it, love it if you guys could subscribe so I can make more videos like this. Bye!